Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view safe passwords on your iPhone. iPhone usually saves a lot of username and passwords on your phone when you log into different websites and apps, and there is a way where you can actually see the whole list. So if you're using a different device, for example, to log into one of these apps, you could find your password and simply type in. This is how we are going to do it. Step 1 is go to the settings app on your iPhone and your iPad will work the exact same way. On this page, we want to scroll down and simply tap on this password and accounts. And in here, on the very top, it says website and app passwords. Just click on that, and these are all the different passwords in alphabetical category for every app and website that are visited on my phone where I saved it to my phone. So to see one of the password, you have to choose any app and you could see your username and your password. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.